Hi, this is Watch Hobby. Hello. And today is another unboxing. So this is an unboxing of this watch I recently got. Well, I got this watch just before the service tax in Malaysia went up by additional 2%. So this is just like the last penultimate date when you're still 6%. So let's see what is this particular watch. Anything here that is obvious? Matching, right? Yes, this is a Hamilton. Okay, so let's see what Hamilton did I get. Let's do the unboxing. Ta-da! Ooh, very nice. Actual wooden box. Split traveling watch box. I think this is the receipt, and this is the this is the service cards, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the Hamilton manual and all that. Let's see, yes, the metal card, and so on and so forth. User manual, I think you have to go online. The warranty card is currently the only original piece, plus the credit card size confirmation warranty. This is 2 years. This is a warranty for this particular one. Back. Now, the watch box itself, the main watch box itself. Let's see what we get. Let's put this one aside. The watch box is okay. A hinge at the back, as you can see here. Nice wooden box. No distinct features, i.e. no branding at all, except for at the end here is a GH2722. Now I don't know what code is that, but I think this is a manufacturing code. So let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's upside down. This is how it's supposed to work. Haha. Oh, there is a Hamilton. I was actually looking at it upside down. So there is a Hamilton. So when you put it right side up, it is a signed copy as far as the box is concerned. My bad. Anyway, the Elvis80. All PVD protected. I think it's PVD, not DLC. I think it's PVD. This is the reference number. Now, Hamilton just increased price. This price 7750. This is the price effective of 1st of March 2024. I got it on the 27th of I think it was the 27th, or a couple of days before March started. So I got the old price, which is 7350. So this particular watch just jumped an additional 400 ringgit from 1st of March 2024. So this is it. Beautiful. Let me open it. You can see display case back, very nice art, black dial, red, seconds hand, a date at 3, and yes, sapphire crystal, but my god, see how they cut the sapphire. It is rounded, but domed and rounded, but you can see it's really unique. Very nice. It's curved. Wow. So this will sit very nice on the wrist. Anyway, I will do a full review on my blog. Just visit it, and I think when it's ready, it'll come out. Yeah. So this is it. This is Elvis80 Ventura. I always wanted this watch for years. I think when the XXL came out, years ago, I wanted it. And then 2015, this is when the Elvis80 came out, which is slightly smaller than the XXL, but still equally as quite obvious on the wrist. Anyway, thank you so much for thank you guys for watching. Do follow the channel. Reference as far as this particular model is concerned will be in the title of this video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't you have not followed me, I hope you do. Like, at least a like, follow will be brilliant. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye bye for now.